Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to find all the donations you have made on the Facebook app on PC with the new update. If you've ever donated through Facebook and want to check your past activity, this is the quickest way to find it. The menu layout has changed a little, but the option is still easy to access once you know where to look. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your main account menu with several settings options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of many things you've done on your account, including posts, reactions, searches, and donation activity. Inside the activity log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This area organizes different types of actions so you can find them more easily. Now click on Fundraisers. This is the part that includes donation-related records tied to your Facebook account. Once you enter Fundraisers, choose Donations You Have Made. Here, Facebook will display the donations connected to your profile so you can review them one by one. If you've made several donations over time, this section helps you track them all in one place. This is especially useful if you want to confirm a donation, check a payment history, or simply keep track of your support activity. And if you don't see anything right away, don't worry. Just make sure you're using the right account and that you followed each step carefully. So again, the path is simple. Open Facebook, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, then Fundraisers, and finally, Donations You Have Made. That